good clinical exposure is necessary to produce a confident physician. So we see that students here are given adequate exposure to clinical practices, and by posting them to various hospitals, we post the students for forensic medicine so that they can see the post-mortem procedures, and also we have gynec and ops posting where they can see the procedure of delivery, and during final year we also post them to hospitals where they can get exposed to emergency cases, they can see various surgeries and etc. We also encourage the students for exhibiting their various innovations and research, where they are encouraged to participate in various seminars and exhibit their talent as well. And bottom line, the students here are molded not to be just a good physician and also a responsible citizen. Thank you.